Hello everyone. So did you know that in Zoom chat, so here is Zoom chat, you can actually install a MailChimp notifications app. So the idea is that when there is a new subscriber or something around that, you will get a notification in your Zoom chat. So just tap plus and you will be redirected to Zoom app marketplace. You will need to be signed in here in top right. And then, you can just search for MailChimp. Let's just search it here. MailChimp notifications. There you have it. You need to pre-approve here in top right. And there you have it. So you will receive notifications around campaign performance. You can link your MailChimp account, get specific stats, and then just tap install, and then just authorize, and then MailChimp app installation successful. There you have it, but then you will need to add a command. The next step you need to do is just go to MailChimp link, and then you can link and authorize your MailChimp account. Tap enter. Okay, so I need to do that in, let's try it here in the MailChimp chat. And then please link your account, and you're directed here, and then you will just need to enter your API key from MailChimp account. So how to get that? So there you have it. Just go to your profile, account, and then set extras API keys, and then just copy that key here, tap submit, and there you have it. Your MailChimp notifications should appear in Zoom chat. Hope it was helpful. Put a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.